I use 3 mm hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Skip this chain, go to next chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, insert your hook into next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, go to same chain, in last chain make 1 more single crochet, hide this yarn under a stitch, go to same stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, make 1 single crochet. In this stitch we have 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet. Now we have 4 stitch in here, 4 stitch in here, 1 stitch in this stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Go to first chain, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, continue like this, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for more rows. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Join hair tie, in here. This is back work.